Hi, I'm Praful Gadge. I stay in Dubai. I would like to share my views and experience about the NEST program. A few years back, I was suffering from viral infection and was hospitalized for a high fever and chest infection. After getting discharged from the hospital, my body was very weak and I keep feeling lethargic. In the office also, I was not able to work properly. After office hours, I was not able to go out for any social activities. Also from long time, I was suffering from hyperacidity and high cholesterol. I was told to stop taking allopathy medicines for a longer period as it may damage the vital organs. I heard about the CHRC homeopathy clinic from one of my close relative. Then I decided to visit the clinic in my next trip to India. When I met Dr. Prasad and Dr. Falguni for the first time, I briefed them about my illness. Then Dr. Prasad advised me to follow the lifestyle disorder reversal program. Regarding illness, he told me it can be cured 75% by eating only healthy food and rest 25% with the help of medicines. This impressed me the most and I decided to enroll for the program. I was staying in Dubai and it was not possible for me to attend the reversal program weekly sessions in India or go for regular follow-ups. But doctors made it possible. They organized a web session for me and it was ease of doing weekly and monthly follow-up. Doctor had a few web sessions with my wife and gave her some tips and cooking method to retain the nutrition in the food. I still remember once during the follow-up session, I was talking to Dr. Falguni and I mentioned her that I am following the diet plan properly. And she corrected me and said that is not a diet plan, it's a healthy food plan. The best thing is complete family can have the same food prepared according to the healthy food plan. And it benefits to all in the family. I have been following the reversal program for the past 5 years and still following it, not as a patient but to keep myself healthy and fit. The results are amazing. My hyperacidity is almost gone and cholesterol level has come down too. Now I feel energetic and confident. As Dr. Prasad told me once, if you spend money on the healthy food now, then in future no need to pay huge money on your critical illness. I am happy that I am a part of NEST program. And in the end, I would like to thank Dr. Prasad and Dr. Falguni for keeping us motivated and their tireless work all these days during the pandemic. Thank you.